4-1D is on solving proportions. Our vocab term for this section is what a proportion is. A proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. Take this example. You know that two ratios form a proportion if their cross products are equal. So what we're going to do is do 24 times 12 and 20 times 18. If those two numbers are equal, then yes, it is a proportion. Well, 24 times 12 is going to give us 288, and 20 times 18 is 360. Because these numbers are not the same, they're cross products, this is not proportional. We're going to use this principle to solve our problems. Let me give you another example. Now, 2 over 4 and 1/2 may seem like a pretty easy example, and you might not even need to show the work for it, but let me show you how it works. If you do 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, you get 4 and 4. And since these numbers are the same, it forms a proportion, and you know these two things are equal. So we're going to use that principle to solve proportions when we're missing one of the numbers. All right, so we have an example of a proportion problem that we have. We've got a missing number, and it's in the place of k. So if we use our cross products and set up an equation, we should be able to solve it for our variable. So I'm going to do 30 times k and 12 times 70. Using the knowledge of proportions, we know that these two sides need to be equal to each other. So let's go ahead and simplify. The 30k stays the same, and 12 times 70 is going to give you 840. Then you solve by dividing by 30, because the 30 and the k are being multiplied right now. So to get k by itself, you divide by 30, and 840 divided by 30 is going to give you 28. So you know your missing number is 28. Let's try another example. All right, so now we have 6 over 9 equals 10 over r. We want to figure out what r is. So use your cross products. 6 times r is equal to 9 times 10. Simplify 9 times 10 to 90. And then to get r by itself, we're going to have to divide by 6 so it cancels out. Divide by 6, and 90 divided by 6 is going to give you 15, so r equals 15. Your homework for tonight on 4-1D is page 208, numbers 1 through 15, which we did start in class together, but I hope this video helps, and good luck.